I'm the teacher mom and the letter of the day is letter T. So let's begin. So we already know the strokes for letter T. We just need to add a dash to L. So the lowercase l goes under curve, down curve, and then give it a dash. That's letter T. There you go. Remember not to make floating letters or sinking letters or letter which go above the red solid line. Remember not to make a poor slant this way. It has to go towards your right this way, and the dash goes on the blue dotted line. Remember not to have the dash here way up here or not to have it way down here. Some people, they like to have it a little above the dotted line. That looks good too, but I like to keep it here on the dotted line because it acts as a good reference. Okay, keep practicing letter T. See you next time. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.